Hi, I'm Terry from Crosse Technology, and we're looking at the WS-8029 solar clock. When you get the clock, first thing you're going to do is taking a look at the back. We have an initial startup label that tells you that you need to remove this sticker, and then you need to remove the tab right here in the battery box. Just pull that out, make certain the battery gets pushed back down. You'll notice it beeps, and then we want to flip the switch to the rechargeable battery side if we're going to use the battery that it came with. And we flip that over. We'll put our battery cover back on. To set the time, we're going to use the set button and the plus button. We press the set button, and notice the first thing that flashes is our time zone. We're going to use the button right next to it, the plus button, and set this for Midwestern time zone. Time zone CST and 6. Pressing the set button again brings us flashing on, which says that DST, daylight savings time, will be accounted for in this clock. Pressing our set button once again takes us to our language code. It's going to be US for English. Pressing that set button once again, we have the hours flashing, and by pressing the plus button we can change the hour to the correct time of day. Pressing the set button again, the minutes flash, and again the button right next to it, the plus button, changes to the correct minute. Pressing our set button once again, we have the year code flashing. This comes defaulted to 08, and we're just going to use our plus button, set it to 2011. One more press, our month is flashing. We'll set it to June, and press the set button once again, the date is flashing, and we will set this for June 7th. Pressing the set button one more time, our day of the week is flashing, and we will assume Thursday by pressing the plus button to change that. Press the set button once again. We're in 12-hour time. The plus button would allow us to go to 24-hour time. We'll leave it in 12-hour. And pressing our set button one more time, we're going to be reading degrees Fahrenheit. Again, the set button would change it if we wanted to go to Celsius. We'll put it back into Fahrenheit. Press the set button once again, and we are on for the solar mode, using the sun to keep our battery charged and operating. In the solar mode, when the room gets dark, the clock face will turn off. If we want to see the clock face full time, we would turn it to on. Let the clock rest for a few moments. It will go to operating mode. We have our indoor temperature, our day, our month and date, indoor humidity, and the time all set up.